Hi there. If you've ever needed to deposit a check but didn't have time to swing by the bank, don't worry. Brady National Bank makes it easy to mobile deposit, so you can handle it right from your phone, anytime, anywhere. Let's walk through it together. First, open the Brady Bank app and log into your account. Now, tap Deposit on the home screen. Before we move forward, let's make sure the check is endorsed correctly. Flip it over and sign your name. Then write "For Mobile Deposit at Brady National Bank Only," just below your signature. This helps ensure the deposit gets processed smoothly. Next, enter the check amount and confirm the account where you'd like to deposit it. Now, take a clear photo of the front of the check. And then the back. Make sure everything is legible. Once that's done, hit Submit. And that's it. You'll get a confirmation and we'll review deposit. Funds usually clear by the end of the day if you deposit before 4:30 p.m. on weekdays. If it's after hours or on the weekend, don't worry. Your money will be available the next business day. One last thing. Hang on to your check until you're sure the funds are in your account. Once you see them posted, you're good to go. And that's all there is to it. Mobile deposit makes banking with Brady National Bank easier than ever, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. Thanks for banking with us. When you bank with us, you bank with Brady.